This is September 2nd, 2024. We aya Dubik Mahama na one na ye ECG boss and the Akufo Addo ne Bawumia. Okachere say ECG to replace 250,000 meters in Accra and Eastern region. Now, what actually caused that? Ediana Emma 2024, NPP are buying a decided say or be replacing about almost 250,000 meters. That was close to elections. September, October, November. Now I bear 3 to 4 months. What was the cause of that? At a point, Dubik Mahama na oye ECG boss under MPP. Or say, new smart meters are not cheating you, but reflecting your lifestyle in terms of power consumption. Under MPP nkwasiafo and omujina parliament edidi atem. Eka se Ghana for Jimmy na NDC for buye no. Under their leadership, tama no more power na Ghana for ka se dabi mita na ewo ho sisi ano mita no ewie sika dodo mita no run fast dodo. Dubik Mahama na oye ECG boss under Bawumia ne Akufo Addo. Oka kire se yesu ene ye ban ene ema ye kanea no sebio ye to mita ye to light gu ye mita so ane ye mita no ye kanea no eshi. This is on record. Date show and I'm about no the same September and okay the same assembly. Yebusa ECG for and Akufo Addo and Afenyo markin and the MPP say 2024 yeto mumita fufura amudi abei yenkania ni nya yeto penashum yeto anashum adenti na yeto anashum Dubik Mahama na ye ECG boss and Akufo Addo Bawumia ka kire say new smart meters or see meters for no modi abano around September October during election time no or say new smart meters are not cheating you but reflecting your lifestyle in terms of power consumption. MPP for kachire say yesuban ni ye any lifestyle bia na say ya fa to ye ho so ene na ema ye to kanea na kanea no aiden ahye na post kan kwasem now Dubik Mahama so kan enie mamembo na tie sene be ya ye kasa wa ha obegu say MPP for ye nkwasiafo.
Off basis points were not there. Decimal points that they were off were not that much. Again, before I even explain, with the new meters that we have, they are off by 0.05. It's very, very accurate. So maybe you might get away with just charging a phone, but every single thing you consume in your house is going to read it. We should be talking about energy conservation rather now than ever, because that's the only way that you pay less. Because what is actually happening now is that with these new smart meters, every single thing you are doing is showing very well as to your true lifestyle and your true consumption. And then on the other side, tariffs have also increased. So it's not that ECG intentionally has put a meter out there to try to fleece its customers. Off basis points.
Moti asma Dubik Mahama kan under MPP oka kire mo say our lifestyle no new meters no mu complain say every musika no mo light ne koso no say mo lifestyle mo life bi ende mo lead Ghana under MPP and these same foolish people are sitting in parliament telling Ghana for say meter no every kanya dodo na NDC for na cause problem no ye busa omo time no omo ka kire say ye suban ye pray my life no ye sora na akoto fridge ye sora na akoto blender ye sora na akoto heater ye sora na akoto kettle omo ka kire say ye lifestyle and ama new meters no air consuming. Remember this guy Afenyo markin na oye that time no na oni na ye den na oni na ye board chair of ECG Afenyo markin Afenyo markin ojina parliament na opose abuo bi no and the ojina waka say aban no people are complaining MPP for the more Ghana for the bi omo the more your politics omo say mo bi mo agimi time Dubik Mahama ka kire say your lifestyle and ama ye den ye prepaid na ye tomita na light na asano na Afenyo markin on na ye board chair of ECG. Did he talk? No. Did he complain? No. Did he come to tell us say it was the fault of their government? No. They sat back and they never listened to anybody. Now, Busan say, why say close to election, a government will change over 300,000 meters? The question here is, what is causing this? Do you know what is causing this problem? There are two things here. The first one, this is the first thing. The first thing is that IMF deal no almost electricity tariff hikes, tax reforms, key condition in securing program. NPP for IMF no nyoma mienu enom de call ya IMF ka say somebody nyoma mienu we good table no so there sa IMF 3 billion e de bema mo one na electricity I say ye tum bosomi miensa bia NPP for echo IMF no ade om ko good table so e ma IMF for eje sa IMF program ni tum no enie we April 2023 Ofori Atta beka kire say nyoma mienu a eye tintiman a IMF for ehwe so e de sa loan na maye no another sa IMF sika na maye no eye nyoma mienu eye den ye tax reform any den ye electricity bill a ye betum bosom miensa bia. We are still in the IMF program. I am praying say aban way by the time we exit this program completely no we will see light bills no eba form kakra. I know it is not going to be easy, but see a can in some way now it should be a problem if we are asking the MPP say during your time we are asking Afenyo markin, you were the board chair of ECG. You people told us, you admitted that the prepaid meters were taking a lot of light and money. Now why are you today telling us to say after you went to IMF and just gave them our electricity? Because right now no baby omdi etiko share no e was say dey bia making sure say e kana ye tua no ye nya sika bi dey tua. It is not the fault of the government. In fact, so we calculate e dey e cost kra aban way is trying everything possible to subsidize light no e won sansam. It is an common ba aya mo mentena sene enko akire kakra ne embu say e den ne beduru ha e den na aban bi de ye electricity e ko share IMF onsa say 3 months bia o see etum. Now, a day and a bino at a point, Ed requesting over 300,000 meters begu system nim. Meter we use, meter we use. You don't know. Some meters na NPP de buy, you know, meter, we meter crow. Me per se, obi beka cham se NDC buy, you know, Oma procure meter 100 billion, and Oma spread meter around the nation. Majority of the places are complaining about a lightweight. Any meters no, I am sure say those places are MPP for eco spreaders are meters over 300,000 Ghana Edema Sankofono. And those meters no be no na you be contractor or they ba abeji sika before elections end. And we need to take a step back, investigate those meters, and look at the quality of meters are MPP for the latter part of NPP free power. No, where did they get all those meters from? Who were the suppliers? Afenyo markin was the board chair. Near Tiha and forensic audit. Ebechere say, Dubik Mahama, Afenyo markin as the board chair. They duped Ghana billions of cedis. Today, we are all facing the consequences. But if we are going to be realistic, let's take a step back and ask ourselves, say, 200 to 300,000 meters nearby, no, and he normal cost supply, no, why a GB? Are you one of the beneficiaries? Are you using some of the new meters? Some meters normally by a new bin who use it, or you are using the old ones because at a point 2 to 3 months to elections, you know, they brought in over 300,000 meters. And here one, we are talking about IMF program where yes, Shema, we are supposed to release the money every 3 months to make sure IMF can and so there are so many ways branches in the dorsum. And that does not mean to say I am going to say ma abane enya hu bibi. This government was brought in to do what? To come and solve problems. Anything a minister say they have to look at it critically. Investigations needs to be open for us to get to the bottom of this matter because it cannot be say suddenly meters na complaining from 2024 no area na quiet and sorry, it means there's something wrong. So let's get serious as a nation. Let's get serious as a people. Yet now Mahamadu Bawumia or MPP flag bearer. at a point, on Rankata campaign, Catch Ghana for, he was complaining about electricity in Ghana. Mahamadu Bawumia, at a point, now all complaining about electricity in Ghana. I didn't tell Bawumia complaining about electricity because he knew, say, a bina yadesha omonsa se omundi Ghana sono. They basically turned Ghana into a cash cow. They made money. Mr. S, Mr. P, get me the video. Mr. S, Mr. P, get me the Bawumia video and let me show the people. Men can't say to biaso. This is Mahamadu Bawumia complaining about electricity.
Electricity ne bo eba from Ghana. Electricity ne bo eba from. And then Ghana electricity was so because ye crack oil, any gas, any producing electricity. Oil the gas no so ne bo cost and cost. This is the generation mix. Move away from oil and gas to solar power. The percentage electricity ne bo eba from Ghana. The percentage electricity ne bo eba from. And then Ghana electricity was so because ye crack oil, any gas, any producing electricity. Oil the gas no so ne bo no cost and cost. This is the generation mix. Move away from oil and gas to solar power. The percentage electricity ne bo eba from Ghana. The percentage electricity ne bo eba from. And then Ghana electricity was so because ye crack oil, any gas, any producing electricity. Oil the gas no so ne bo no cost and cost. This is the generation mix. Move away from oil and gas to solar power.
Makachiramu asamoba, you have to sit down. Niembusa was asam free hina bedruha. Oh, say clearly, you can see clearly, say these people, they know what they are doing. MPP among kind of correct. This is Bawumia 2024, the campaign message, no. Or percent or take kania soba form. Oh, that means na kania no also that. Yakoka is a dubik say lifestyle. And yet Ghana hama MPP form kwasia 4 way ye de day. Malam Bawumia trofo enso nam. Ekekan kwasia. This is the reality. And this government is trying to solve every single problem. Sebio in kwasia 4 way ekreti. Afenyo markin today is standing in parliament screaming. Afenyo markin was the board chair. Team, get me Afenyo markin statement in parliament today. Afenyo markin kwasia penny way, wudi ni way. Afenyo markin kwasia penny on this Samira a wudi 4 way. He was standing in parliament screaming about electricity at their increment. Afenyo markin kwasia way at Ghana. We have allowed this fool, not an ECG board chair. Mumbusan say, as ECG board chair, those times, what did he do about the lights? Today, such an idiot. Jimmy Nisano, today he's screaming in parliament. He's telling the finance minister, there is electricity there and there, the electricity there and there. Mumbusan say, when he was the board chair of ECG, what happened? Team, Muntia Kwasiampenyi, this is Afenyo markin. Kwasiampenyi. Let me show you the evidence. No, your ECG board chair, endogenous parliament.
Even when you come to the recruitment, it's a complete scam. And I'll explain to you, the recruitment into police, immigration, prison, you are now even telling the youth that they should go and the youth who are already unemployed, they are borrowing. Marco, electricity. On paper, you have increased electricity tariffs by over 30%. Now, put the numbers on paper aside. Listen, for those of you who, because you are in government, you are ignoring the realities on the ground. Ghanaians cannot afford electricity. You should know this. These are the things you should introduce policies for reform. How to reform the energy sector. You are not doing that. You come here and say, Marco, I will not commend you for doing this. I'm not going to praise you. Electricity needs reforms. Those are the bona fides you must pay attention to. Then you come here, you say, and then 15 months, they say, Ghana accelerated national reserve accumulation. When you buy electricity, Mr. Speaker, this morning, somebody told me that she used to buy 1,000 for a whole month. Today, even if you buy 2,000 for 1 week and so
this is the foolishness you have been entertaining in Ghana. What's the principle about what he's doing? Well, Jimmy, but he's the person who basically caused this shit. Inti Ghana for no, you must say Jimmy for ya, entertaining Jimmy for ya. He's standing in parliament screaming. But at the end of the day, he was a board chair of ECG. The ECG boss told us your lifestyle number ECG light cost. His own flag bearer, the foolish idiot, told us that he knows light bills are up.
The percent electricity NAPO ever from Ghana. The percent electricity NAPO ever from. And then Ghana electricity was so because you crack oil, any gas, any producing electricity. Oil the gas must NAPO cost.
This is Bawumia in 2024. Now, if you're not a majority leader, now or your board chair of ECG, Kwasia. Or to see parliament, Jimmy no sa now with Jimmy and people because majority are just idiots. They can't read, they can't write, they are the foolish masses. A Jimmy for party. So every fool in Ghana, now you don't know the MPPH. The question to ask this idiot is that but you were in power a year ago. People were complaining. Your ECG boss told us it was our lifestyle. Your own flag bearer, that Mumu, told us that he knows light bills are up. Why are you today screaming? You were the same people who put Ghana's lifeline, energy lifeline. You put it on paper and gave it to IMF. You went to IMF and told IMF, say, IMF deal no, for your energy sector in shame, electricity no fan shame. Who are you complaining to? You want your Mahamadu to solve all problems in a day? And this is the kind of parliament we have. The foolishness and the bona fide foolishness, no? That bona fide foolishness that people think they are entitled to. The bona fide foolishness of Afenyo markin. That bona fide foolishness, no? He thinks he's entitled to, no? That is causing this problem. Such a dirty rat. GB4, he does not respect anybody because MPP for this Jimmy, because they can't read and write, they can't go back and think, they can't research. They are affiliated to the party because of their foolish tribe and foolishness. We are building a nation. We are looking at problems one after the other. We are basically finding solutions to problems that were caused by animals like you. A fool like you told us, said, May, you were going to bring Ofori Atta to Ghana. Kwasi Ampenyi. Utinu kakawure regional parliament here, bona fide, mukwi like you, Jimmy 4, you and Samira Bawumia Udi 4, you foolish people, you think we have forgotten the nonsense you do in Ghana? And we sit in Ghana and we entertain this stupidity. All because parliament na yefo Jimmy Nibia to minya parliament. So anybody enters parliament and thinks that's the place that they can exhibit the highest form of mukwism and their bona fideism and their Bangladesh foolishness. Come and tell us things. Come and tell us wisdom. People are saving the nation. They caused the problem. They have become this stupid. They have destroyed the nation today. They are screaming like pigs. And that we should all keep quiet and look at their foolishness because Obeka will be a because Obeka away Jimmy. Now Penny Jimmy away Jimmy. This is where the problem is coming from. Now we need to investigate the 300,000 meters that Ghana. No? I remember I spoke on this matter. They were paying the money into some company's account under MPP. Time this are prepaid whereby I did a story on it. Mr. P, pull it out for me. Mebeka Chamsa Bawumia and NAPO, they were involved in this meter scandal. They brought in some meters at the latter part of 2024. I sat here and told Ghana for Mahamadu Bawumia was involved in that scandal. he and NAPO omukofa some meters by Ghana. It came out that people were paying money to a company that was receiving a prepaid money directly into their account. We need to focus and build a nation. And you see, the reason why sometimes you have opportunity, you didn't say the Mukwism in the MPP has become like their monkeyism character. Their foolish Mukwism, it has manifested into a monkeyism character, into thinking say they are making sense. Foolish Afenyo markin. You were the board of ECG. How much were they paying light for as Ghanaians? Huh? Mukwi party. Jimmy for you think everything you have to complain about na ama abana misdirected? No. You can scream and scream, you can shit on yourselves. What the government intends to do is what the government is going to do. And the government is going to do what the people of Ghana want. Not you mukwis. Political monkeys. Man, Jimmy, we have forgotten about you people, your filth. You think we have forgotten about the nonsense you put us through? A mukwism group of monkeyisms. You think we have forgotten everything? We are going to remind you people every single day and the nonsense you did. And we are never going to hand this country over to you people, over our fucking dead body. We sit in Ghana, we entertain you, and look at all these things you did. Look at all these things. 250,000 meters. You supplied it in Ghana. Modema Ghana for today, NDC about power 1 year was supplied 300,000 meters. When you check where the complaints are coming from, they are actually coming from all the places that these meters, Bawumia, NAPO, and Afenyo, that's where the complaints are coming from. Now, analysis we are not stupid. They make money out of us. They then go sit on the fence and start to scream like dogs. All because you're Jimmy. All because Parliament now are full. Any mukwi can enter Parliament and start misbehaving. Any fool thinks that they can underestimate the intelligence of the people. Every idiot thinks that they wear a Vietnam suit, stand in Parliament and speak like a rat. And that we all have to listen to them. Monkeyism character coming from them. The bona fide foolishness is what you are exhibiting in Parliament. Where did these meters go? Who supplies meters and makes sure he forces meters on the people 3 months to elections? Who does that? All because it was a man for a contract to film. All because and the Abai they will have to bear the brunt. They will have to bear the problem. So suddenly, problem now mu create and this before they create a nine in Chamwa. Foolish antidotes. You people. You are antidote to nothing. When is solution to anything? You are antidote to nothing. And team, I'm not going to switch from this. This is Dubik Mahama telling us our lifestyle.
Off basis points were not there. Decimal points that they were off were not that much. Again, before I even explain with the new meters that we have, they are off by 0.05. It's very, very accurate. So maybe you might get away with just charging a phone, but every single thing you consume in your house is going to read it. We should be talking about energy conservation rather now than ever. Because that's the only way that you pay less. Because what is actually happening now is that with these new smart meters, every single thing you are doing is showing very well as to your true lifestyle and your true consumption. And then on the other side, tariffs have also increased. So it's not that ECG intentionally, because what is actually happening now is that with these new smart meters, every single thing you are doing is showing very well as to your true lifestyle and your true consumption. And then on the other side, tariffs have also increased. So it's not that ECG intentionally has put a meter out there to try to fleece its customers. Because what is actually happening now is that with these new smart meters, every single thing you are doing is showing very well as to your true lifestyle and your true consumption. And then on the other side, tariffs have also increased. So it's not that ECG intentionally has put the meter out there to try to fleece its customers.
This is what they told us. Inti enye di mo bianca bibia mo bianca Ghana for. Ma obianca bibia, I sat on my platform. And you see, thank you very much, Mr. S. I sat on my platform, me catch Ghana for. And I'll remind you today, me adebie ni wa meka me nkaiwo. Yeah, let me show you. Thank you very much, team, for bringing this in. It was a show I did, and I made you know, say, in Kofo we bomo chrono. Afenyo markin. No, yeah, thank you, Mr. S, for bringing this in. Me better video be. And it's a video I did here, and before election 2024, me check this video. Do you remember? NAPO ekofa meters ebaye. And I'll catch and say, sa meters no make sure, say, ya turning yina e dia force on Ghana for and send you free power. Inti on say and about 2 months ago, everything this guy was talking about was meters. Also, we need to change meters here. They were forcing the meters on you guys. Or turn the last meter and also I resign. Because Sikana no muhian and then second we. Who resigns without stating a reason? He's not going to give you a reason because his job was to come and sell the meters. On say oh ECG power no cut off into more meters bi no meters no mu load no be see meter no NAPO deal. This guy's job was to sell the meters for NAPO. Kennedy Agyapong and NAPO na this meters ne buy some meters na omo de by force e yo deal akwa we onim so be free power into the dwuma nyina ne say on ton meter no onje ne share no on resign it. So right now, we're resigning. How are you going to track that deal? Nipa obasha ono no problem. Nipa na wabasha ono no problem. Ochina, I'll speak on the meters, and then you see what is happening in Ghana. Oh, so same way, Ochina, I'll come and show you something about the meters. Ye ka some chiremo amonte. Ye tumufu amonte. Tribe jimimo. And the moti Ghana. And ye to meter na ye to light na nasa. It is their deal. They don't care. Sa meter na uto egusuno. Sa sika na uto egusuno. NAPO wo mu 30%. In this auto 10 Ghana, 30 Ghana no, NAPO dia, 70 Ghana na light. That is why this guy was all over the place. Otchere Ghana for, you need to take the meters. We are changing meters. Suddenly, we are changing meters. Why? Suddenly, some kind of meters and the best meter. Yeah, because so to 1 meter biya 30% sikane woman ekona po sa 30% require on this meter company in the chain 15. Don't be fooled though. It is idea china say boy we on no jot say kusie wakoto no omoba build wakoto no num jot I say abodam we these are dirty riffraffs so they didn't expect to get to this level in life. They knew from day one they were not supposed to get the positions they were given, so they cannot even handle it. Wait, no one fee what gonna do to Tiara no. Well, no one sign we just say fee. We really we also are resigning. What can you do? Nothing. NAPO deal, no. This is 2024 before elections. And I kept telling you people, say in Kofo way, omo ya kromfo, Afenyo maki we kromfo. O mu se mo Jimmy sa Afenyo maki we. Nipa no ho me time wo Ghana kura no ho me nyan. We did Jimmy ni way na mo so ye parliament 30%. You know the damage they did to you people. But today, the NDC government led by John Mahama, Jinapo at the energy ministry, they need to solve this problem. Are we going to change all the meters again? That is another question to ask. Now, it's going to be another cost on the energy sector, or on the ministry, on the government. If these meters, after the investigations, ever prove say some of the meters are not the right meters now, what are we going to do? The government needs to also go out there, change all these meters, pay you people back, and install new meters. Who is going to bear the cost? These are the things we talk about. And you see, the funny thing is, sometimes you think it's a joke. These people, they know. Say, Omu di bone, but because last time they have been able to go through every part of government. They have been able to put their fingerprints everywhere. And the politician or Ghana on stroke court. MPP politician be any court. You know why? Because they know that some of the people in there are their people. So they don't care. Today, when you tell them you're going to jail, they are not scared because they know. That is why Akufo Addo was packing the courts. And these are the things they did. These are things we cannot just sit and say we should let it pass. And you see these fools come and sit on TV, in Parliament and talk nya. No, I'm sorry, Jimmy. These them the questions. Mumbusomo questions, you know. Mumbusomo questions, you know. We knew all these things. Let me tell you. Anytime Ghana for say, we still need to move. As much as some people have stolen from us, as much as we still want to grab some people, put them before the law court, we still have to move on. We cannot say because we are waiting to prosecute this country. Okay, right now, the question here is, moi mumites air faulty. Moi se si amo bre amo light air ko hwinhwim no. Yan twan ne yanko che obi prosecute and say affect our problem no. The government needs to move ahead. The government needs to look at your needs now, take care of your needs, and the prosecution needs to follow because investigations have to be done, cases have to be made, cases have to be filed. But we cannot say because people are investigating stuff, we should come to a halt as a nation. We should not move on. And last time I said, it is important. We all need the prosecution. We need accountability. But it does not mean say it's right now. Me catch the Uganda ni awo hweme. Say no ECG be investigations. Yan twan mom investigations ni wie. Omo kwachi omo di sa bone no. Omo prosecute omo wie ansa na fix the problem no. I'm asking you. So these are some of the things you need to understand about governance. When you come, the plight of the people should be your priority. Even though we all know, say, making sure accountability is served, it's a priority. We are also choosing your normal rights. So we cannot leave the cases behind. The same time we are complaining about the cases, we should also find solutions to the problems these foolish idiots created in the first place. So you need to understand, MPP former Jimmy, that is what they will do for the next 41 years. They will scream, they will shit, they will fart, they will misbehave. They are naturally mukwis. The mukwism and the monkeyism in them will not stop them from fooling, especially this monkeyism. So we need to get serious as a nation. Let's not fall for these gimmicks. Let's not fall for this antics, this drama they do in Parliament. It is a distraction. Ignore these idiots. The solution is that we need to find a way to solve this problem. Platform personal. Every single statement I made when these people were in opposition, in power, I made it because I had my facts. And Nina manifested. Every single Ghanaian is seeing. On say any ebre. Afenyo markin. Kwasi Campaign okoni krom if you know your party wom. Someone with you know a party wom. Kwasi asa. It is your money. It is my money. You say can you air question he does not care. At a point, Kennedy Agyapong money $5 million. Kennedy Agyapong to be $5 million more be on receipt. Mumujan say these are criminals. But you see. Yentumi fa entontom wabufuo ehwe ye baasum anase embo ye nyankase asum as much as yepese ekuntontom no we need to be careful the way we slap our face to kill that entontom. So even though we are slapping our face, we need to be careful. And that's what I mean is as far as we are trying to solve the problem, you pay accountability, we cannot also forget to say we need to solve the problems. The problems you to solve we are and you be the way forward to deal with people because saban way better so for 1 year, now Abana is just complaining and Abana is not solving problem. Then but we have gotten a government that is delivering, a government that is working, a government that has a willingness to prosecute. We should all understand and help the government.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.